Great, and let's do factorization. Factorization isebenza kwi-topics ezininzi, iyasebenza nakwi-functions, isebenza kwi-topic ezininzi. So let's do a factorization. Factorizer before siqalise ukwenza imizekelo yethu. We have a factorization yokuqala that we check. That is factorization. Apho uzojonga khona i-common factor. Common factor. Factorize and go to common factor. Number 2, we can check the difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Two squares. Then it can be the sum of two cubes or difference of two cubes. Okay, esithathu ejongayo uba ayikho na. That is trinomial. Trinomial. Then sibe no number 4. Number 4 wethu ngoyizoba grouping. That is by grouping. Sigroupishe. So silandele lezi steps qho xa factorizer. We check the common factor, difference of two squares. If ayikho, then trinomial. If ayiyo, then we group the terms. Ngale order ndiyibekileyo. Also have the difference of two cubes as well as the sum of two cubes. But let's focus with umzekelo masithi ngoku we have the problem number 1 maybe I will have 6x plus 12. So I will check the common factor. After common factor, I will check the difference of two squares. After difference of two squares, I will check the trinomial. Then I group if we are groupishe. Do we have a common factor here? Yes, we do have a common factor, which is 6. U6 uyangena ku6, u6 uyangena ku12, which means we have a common factor, which is u6. So u6 will be outside of brackets zethu. Then sijonge kulanda ibino 6, we put 1, which means xa ndikhupha lo 6 lo I will have 1 times x, which is x, plus u12 wenziwa ngu2 times 6. So 6 sendimkhuphile, so I'm left with u2 ke ngoku. Then I'm done with that one. Now that is a common fact. Then number 2, we check the difference of two squares. Ingabe ikhonto square ngaphakathi ku brackets? No. Okay, which means as equal difference of two squares. Then number 3, trinomial. Do we have 3 terms? No. Then we can group? No, which means we are done with this one. Now let's check number 2. Let's check number 2. My 1.2. I have 15a minus 20. 15a minus 20. Do we have a common factor? Remember, 15 is equal to 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Then 20 is equal to 4 times 5. Okay, so the factors got 20 and is ngo. So we do have a common factor, which is 5 ku20 nabani no 15, which means ngubani 5. 5 is a common factor. So remember xa sendimsusile u5 endaweni ka5 ngibeka 1 times 3 is 3. So we'll have 3a ushiyekile minus xa sisusa u5 lo wakushiyeke bani ke ngopha u4. Then sibuye sizojonga ke ngoku, do we have difference of two squares after sikhuphe common factor? There are no squares here. Trinomial, it's not a trinomial. Grouping, we are done with this one. Now let's check another one. Number 3. Number 3, I have maybe 9 y squared. y squared plus 3y. Okay, so we do have a common factor here. Remember, 9 is equal to 3 times 3, that is 9. So which means sine common factor upper 9 we do have 3 naku mu 3, so the common factor is 3 eyokuqala kwi numbers. Then sizojonga ku y, y squared ulingana no y times y, so sinayo y ngaphaya naku y naku y squared, so the common factor is y. Okay, xa sisusa u3 as a common factor apha ku y kule ku 9, nanku 9 wethu pha u3 simkhuphile as a common factor, we are left with 3. Then ku y, u-y oyi-1 simkhuphile as a common factor, we are left with y plus u3 here simkhuphile no y samkhupha, we are left with 1 ke ngoku pha, because xa uno 3y i-factors ka-3y ngu-3 times y times 1, so lona simkhuphile as a common factor no y samkhupha kushiyeka u1, then sibe siyigqibile leya, that is a common factor. Do we have a difference of 2 squares inside? No, there is no square here. It's not a trinomial, we cannot group, so this one is correct. We are done. Now let's check for another example. For another example, here I have 1.4. My 1.4 is ax plus ay plus bx plus by. Okay, so here sizojonga common factor bikhona na, if ayikho sijonge istep esilandelayo. Do we have a common factor here? No, there is no common factor, because kulena sino a sibe no a, but apha sibe no b sibe no b, sino x sibe no y sibe no x no y. There is no common factor. Is it a difference of 2 squares? No, it's not a difference of 2 squares layer. It's not a difference of 2 squares. We are different of 2 squares there. And our trinomial we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which means kule must groupish. Xa ugroupisha ke ngoku you must have a common factor kwento uzigroupishayo. Umzekelo le nale inayo common factor ezizoyi-2. I-common factor ngu-a pha, then le nale ine common factor ngu-b. So that is step number 1. After ugroupishile uyoqalela ujonga uba do you have a common factor? Yes, we do have a common factor, which is a. Siyikhuphela ngaphandle common factor, sishiyeke no x plus y ngaphakathi. Nalapha sijonge do we have a common factor? Yes, ngu-b, so u-b is a common factor, just be no x plus y here. Okay, so kuyenza nje ibe lula, since kungu-x plus y nalo ngu-x plus y, ithethe ukuthi ezi zoyi-2 ke ngoku sizozikhomba, hayi nasibe bracket a1, then kwezi zoyi-2 sichoose 1, so sizoba no a plus b, then we take 1 kwezi because ziyafana. It's like we are adding, it's like we are taking off the common factor again, but ilula ngohlobo loba since zifana ubhale i1, then ezi ke ngoku bezingaphandle le nale uzenze zibe kwi bracket a1, sibe factor, then sibe sigqibile ke ngoku leya. Uba singajonga lena ke ngoku, lena nayo ine terms ezi4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means but the first thing that we need to do is to group the terms. Then after group shade terms, we check the common factor, we check the difference of 2 squares nezinto. So apha xa sigroupisha apha we must have ezine common factors bezodwa njalo njalo. So apha ndibona umzekelo le nale zine common factor, le nale zine common factor. So i common factor yalapha kwezi zoyi-2 u5, So if we take off u5 sivule brackets endaweni ka5 sizobeka bani pha 1 sizoba no a minus u10 wenziwa ngu5 times 2, so u5 sesimkhuphile sishiyeke no2 sibe siqhibile leya. Then sibuye sizojonga common factor ke ngokwezi zoyi2. So make sijonge ke ngoaphi common factor. Oqala u2 is a common factor because u2 uyangena lapha ku4, u4 wenziwa ngu2 times 2, so u2 is a common factor. Then siphinde sijonge enye i-common factor because khona letters. So apha sino letter A no letter B, ngapha sino letter B, which means u-B is a common factor. Then endaweni ka2 sofaka bani 1 because simkhuphile u2, sishiye no A. Endaweni ka-B sifaka u1 because u-B common factor. Then minus endaweni ka2 oqala siyamsusa sifake 1 sishiya nabani no2. Then endaweni ka-B simsuse kushiye ku1. So nansi ya. Now ubungajonga ezi zoyi2 ziyafana ezi, which means ezi zoyi2 masibe sizidibanise sibe kwi-bracket eyi1. So sino 5 plus 2b into a minus 2 or 1, then we are done. That is factorization by grouping. Let's check for another one. Let's say we have this one, maybe this one. Okay, it's fine. It's 1 point, it's our 1.5, 1.6, this one. So let's say we have this one, which we must factorize here. Factorize x squared plus 7x plus 10. So do we have a common factor here? There is no common factor. There is no common factor. Then do we have, is it a difference of two squares? No, it's not a difference of two squares. So sizofactorize a trinomial, sizovula brackets eziyi2. Then sijonge factors zika x squared nezika 10. Manje sizibhala apha ecaleni. U-x squared wenziwa ngu-x times x, u10 wenziwa ngu10 times 1, u10 aphinde enziwe ngu5 times 2. So ezi factors emasizithathe mawube zi-factors that will give us u7. So xa ndijonga ke nguapha u7 angenziwa ngu5 edibene nabani no2, which means nazi ayi-factors zethu esizozikhetha. Sizumkhetha u10 times 1. So nazi ayi-factors zethu ngu-x times x ngu5 times 2. Then i-signs uyabona ngu-positive lapha nalapha ngu-positive. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, which means this one must be positive and this one must be positive. Then sibe that is trinomial layer. See 1.7. Check another example. Factorize apart. Let's look at this one. X squared plus 3x minus 18. So sinaleya ke ngofuna sifactorizile nayo ayina common factor. It's not a difference of two squares, which means masikhali factors ka x squared nezika minus 18. Sizozibhala apha ecaleni ke ezi factors ka x squared nezika minus 18. So x squared yena is just x times x. Then u18 wenziwa ngu18 times 1. U18 aphinde enziwe ngu9 times 2. U18 aphinde enziwe ngu6 times 3, 6 times 3. So u-negative lo kuba e-negative 18, so ndifaka u-negative phaa, so buye siyi-choose uba yiphi ezoba negative. Okay, now let's look at ezi factors zikabani ezika-18. Zeziphi ezingasinika u3? Let's start with 18 minus 1. 18 minus 1 is 17. 18 minus 1, 17. Minus 9, or let's just say minus 17. Minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. Minus 6 plus 3 plus 3. Remember, is minus 3, which means eziphi ezikwazi usinika u3 the middle term izoba ngu6 ehamba nabani no3. So zi-factors zethu, so sino x no x for x squared, then u18 ozokhupha u3 ngu6 nabani no3. Then sijonge apha i-sign yalapha i-positive, which means the bigger number here was positive kwezi numbers zoyi-2, which means le is positive, then lena is negative. Then sibe sigqibile ke ngoku leya, that is factorization. If you have a question ke ungabuza, there are many questions esingazenza apha. Another one I want to check, another one. Let's look for this one. This is the last one. I have here x cubed minus 9x. Remember, before we factorize, we first check the common factor. Do we have a common factor here? Yes, we do have a common factor, which is x. Let's take off x. So njengoba besino x times x times x, that is x cube. U-x oyi-1 uhambile, so sishaya no x squared. Then kweli cala ke ngoku x umkile sishaya nabani no 9. Then step number 2, we check the difference of two squares. Ingaba zizisquares ezingaphakathi, yes, square and u9 square, u9 ngu3 squared. Okay, which means the difference of two squares, which means we can further factorize. So see factorize lingaphakathi ke ngoku difference of two squares. So izoba ngu-x ibe ngu-x, u9 wenziwa ngu3 times 3, enye negative enye positive. Then you are done ukufactorizing pha. So masibambe apho ke ngoku. Stay tuned.